Hello, friends. I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the RC Show. Today, we are going to learn an amazing mathematical trick that will help us to multiply any two digit number with 99 in less than 3 seconds. Click on the subscribe button below to get all the latest videos on cool fun facts, latest tricks, and amazing vocabulary on this channel. If you are enjoying my videos, please click the like button below and share it with your friends. So let's start. How to multiply any two-digit number with 99 in less than 3 seconds. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose you want to multiply 87 by 99. So how do we do it traditionally? We multiply first 9 by 87 and then we multiply second 9 by 87 and then we add the sum. But this is a very old method of multiplication with 99 and also it takes 1 to 2 minutes of your time during important exams and events. So let's learn the trick to calculate this multiplication in just few seconds. Step 1. Subtract 1 from the number, that is 87 minus 1, that gives us 86. Write 86 at the first two places of your answer. Easy. Okay, let's move to step 2. Now subtract the number that you got in step 1 from 99, that is 99 minus 86, that gives us 13. Write this number at the last two places of your answer. And bingo! We got our answer, friends. The multiplication of 87 by 99 is 8613. That's super easy, isn't it? Okay, let's try to understand this trick with one more example. And let's try to do it quickly this time. Suppose you want to multiply 63 by 99. Step 1. Subtract 1 from 63, that gives us 62. Write it down at the first two places of your answer. Step 2. Now subtract 62 from 99, that gives us 37. And write it down at the last two places of your answer. And that's our answer, friends. The multiplication of 63 by 99 is 6237. That's really easy and really quick, right? I know what you are thinking. Even this trick is taking 1 to 2 minutes of our time, right? But don't worry, because I have to explain it step by step. That's why it is taking some time. But from my personal experience, and I guarantee you, once you practice this trick with 11 different examples, you will be able to solve such problems in your mind only, and you don't even need a calculator or a pen and a paper. Okay, let's try it out. Let's try to solve all these 4 problems in less than 1 minute. Are you ready? Let's go. First, multiply 38 by 99. So step 1, subtract 1 from 38, that gives us 37. Now subtract 37 from 99, that gives us 62. So our answer to the problem 38 multiplied by 99 is 3762. Next, multiply 29 by 99. So step 1, subtract 1 from 29, that gives us 28. Now step 2, subtract 28 from 99, that gives us 71. And that's our answer. Multiplication of 29 with 99 is 2871. Okay, next, multiply 57 by 99. Step 1, subtract 1 from 57, that gives us 56. And step 2, subtract 56 from 99, that gives us 43. And that's our answer. Multiplication of 57 with 99 is 5643. And our final equation, multiply 74 by 99. Step 1, subtract 1 from 74, that gives us 73. And step 2, subtract 73 from 99, that gives us 26. And that's our answer. Multiplication of 74 by 99 is 7326. That was really quick, right? Did you see? how quickly we were able to calculate the multiplication of any two-digit number with 99 just within few seconds, and that too without a calculator. The only secret is practice, practice and practice, guys. After seeing this video, practice this trick with at least 11 number and I guarantee it will stick in your mind for always. Okay, let's try to solve all these equations on this screen using this trick, and let us know your answer in the comment section below. I will give a like to the comment whose all answers are correct. And that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, click the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want me to create a video on any topic, do let me know in the comment section below. Do subscribe to this channel to learn more tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay positive.